Hello, my name is Maria Rosario Venezuela. In this video, I present a power by dashboard for supply chain analysis using data code data. At the top, we can see performance indicators such as total sales, total profit, profit margin, late delivery rate, and average shipping time. The dashboard includes several visualizations. For example, this chart shows monthly sales trends over time. Another chart displays sales by market where you got just the highlight sales. We can also analyze product categories, customer segment, and delivery performance. The delivery analysis shows that a high percentage of forms are delivered late, which may negatively affect business performance. The dashboard includes filters by market and GR, allowing users to explore the data in an interactive way. In conclusion, this dashboard helps identify key factors in sales, logistical, and customer behavior, supporting better data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching.